Hi friends, welcome to Anbudan akshayam. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to make a kaleidoscope. For making kaleidoscope, we need cardboard box, aluminium foil, beads or broken bangles, tape, fevigum and transparent sheet. Now I am going to make the kaleidoscope. First open the cardboard box like this. Take the aluminium foil and cut it in the size of cardboard sheet. Now apply the glue on cardboard sheet and paste the aluminium foil. Now fold it in triangle shape. Apply glue or tape here so that it won't come out. Take a piece of transparent sheet. By using this, cover one end of the cardboard box. Use tape to fix this. It looks like this. Take a piece of cardboard sheet, make a shape of triangle and use gum to fix it. Now put some beads and broken bangles into this. After that, cover it with the help of a transparent sheet. Use a paper to cover the another end. And apply glue to fix it. Put a small hole in middle. I had covered the box with the help of A4 sheet. Now our kaleidoscope is ready. Kaleidoscope is an optical instrument which produces beautiful patterns. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.